Hey everybody, I wanted to show you guys this cacao cutting that I did recently. I started this on May 20th of this year, and it's a very nice cutting. The last time I did this I used a much skinnier piece of cutting, and it took almost 6 months, and I did get that one rooted out. So I want to show you this one, and I wanted to focus on how nicely it's already beginning to root. Now, one word of caution, this was growing inside one of these chambers that I basically an upside down tote, and very important to keep the humidity. But to my surprise, that soil is really wet. I'm using Pro Mix, and it's a really good high porosity soil. But nevertheless, I never thought that the soil could be as wet that if I stick my finger in there, let me see if I can do it. I mean, it's wet like a sponge wet. See how everything sticks to it? And it just seems like it's way too wet and it should have rotted. But I guess if you use a high porosity, which would be the Pro Mix HP, and you use a nice size cutting, okay, because that's got a pretty good thickness. It's got the thickness of a pencil, and all together from here to here, it's probably 4 inches, maybe 5. And then it had 3 nice, you can see here, 1, 2, 3 nice branches, and it's doing great. Look at this thing, it's amazing. So I wanted to share that with you guys to show you that yes, you can grow them from cuttings. And this is from my number 3 tree, which is the tree that I always brag about that has all of that fruit on it. Let me just take a quick walk if this battery doesn't run out. I'll show you. This came from one of the branches on this tree right here, and this is my cacao tree that's growing in a container, and it has already produced not only those pods, but I've already harvested 2 nice pods and planted the seeds. And I've actually got a nice production going on here with the seedlings that are now available to me right from this tree. And this is a super productive tree. Now the difference is that the seedlings are going to take a long time to produce fruit. But hopefully this guy, as he gets on some size and matures, I will have a baby clone here of my number 3. And then I will have 2 number 3s in pots growing and producing very nice cacao pods. All right, this is Pepe. Thank you for watching. Quick video. Have a great one.